Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
But would it be a Sophie Chanel video without a hair flip? Huh? No. Did y'all see that? Oh, no.
Now, is she worth it? Let me work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
Yeah, she is worth it, honey. Hey sunshines, it's your Slay at Home mom, Sophie Chanel, and I am back with another video. Yes, you guys, today we are going to be getting into these Boho Goddess crochet braids. But before we get into that, I want to send a huge shout out to my Sunlight, Sunshine, Sunbright of the Day. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you want to be featured as our next Sunlight of the Day, all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like the videos, hit the notification bell, and make sure you leave me a comment. That way I can spotlight your comment. Yes, you guys. So today we're going to get into this hair. This isn't too much of an install video because I have done this type of style with these type of braids previously from NicoleH, but I did it in the black. But my friend on here on YouTube, Stephanie, you may know her as Stephanie NicoleH. I will have her link to her channel down in the description box. She was the first person that I saw do this sort of like ombre color. It's kind of like a 2730 like black kind of ombre. She was the first person that I saw do this, and now you can see her photo on all of these Amazon vendors that are selling this kind of hair. Even though she did not do all of their videos, you know how they are, they steal people's pictures and stuff like that. But she is the face now for this particular style, and she really encouraged me last year that I should really get this style, and I was a bit apprehensive, but I decided to go ahead and give it a try. So this is that. This particular one I got on Amazon, and it's from the company First CYH Hair Store. I will have it linked below in the description box. And again, if you do purchase through my link, you will be supporting my channel as an Amazon influencer. So thank you so much for purchasing. It costs you nothing and it really helps me out. So thank you. So here's Stephanie here. She looks gorgeous. So yes, this is what the hair is looking like, you guys. So I will show more styles that you can achieve with this style. Right now I'm just having it in a left flip over. So the specs about this hair, you get 8 packs of this hair. This is the 14-inch goddess box braid in the color 1B/30/27. You get the 8 packs, and currently it is $31.90, which super affordable. Now I will just give you a little bit of the differences between this hair and the black hair that I have from NicoleH. I will say that I do notice that the 27 hair on this one, I feel like does get a bit more frizzy than the 1B, which is to be expected. I do have to go in with some mousse every couple of days to kind of like, you know, get the frizz, tame the frizz a little bit. It's not too bad. And I do go in with like my Aussie mousse. I will link that in the description box and probably put a picture here so you guys can see which one it is that I am using. Now I will say that I did use the invisible or the illusion method. So I did like individuals, parting in the front, cornrows in the back. You'll see snippets of that here, or I may just show you the process from my NicoleH goddess box braids that I did. I used the same install method for this hair that I did then. What else can I say about this hair? I really like the color and the style. Perfect summertime. I think it could even go for fall. If you don't know this about me, this is like the perfect style for those that are, life is just lifing for them. The people, if you didn't know, I just recently had a baby, so she's about 3 months old now. And it's difficult some days to even get a shower in. So the last thing I want to worry about is my hair. This is perfect for that. I love crochet for that specific reason. I can go around my house and still feel feminine, not just with like straight back cornrows, you know, like if I'm just like around my husband or whatever, I still want to feel super feminine, still want to feel soft, still feel girly, and still feel like I haven't let myself go. So this is like the perfect style for that. I think I'm gonna switch styles really quick. Okay, so I switched over to a right side part, and what I love, just see how this illusion kind of comes in. These look like individual parts in braids, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm about to lose my earring again. But I was saying that I really like this style for that reason. You can still feel feminine and like you have your hair done without doing much of anything. Like at night, I just throw on a bonnet, get up in the morning, take it off, and we're good. And then I decide if I want to do like a half up, half down, if I want to just do like a top ponytail or just wrap it all in a bun. Super easy, super quick, super simple, very, very minimal maintenance. Like I said, I do go in with like my oil applicator and just sort of like, you know, oil my scalp and use mousse like every couple of days. I have had this hair in now for about 8 days, and I'm just now getting around to doing the video, and I think it still looks good. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even use mousse today or yesterday. I think the last time I moussed this hair was 2 nights ago. So I feel like this is perfect. You want to go on a cruise, vacation, just swimming, whatever you want to do, you can definitely do that with this hair. Overall, I think that's pretty much all I have to say about this hair, you guys. Again, this will be linked down in the description box. Loving the color so far. Like I said, I've had this hair in for 8 days. I think it still looks good. Let me know what you guys think. I will go ahead and wrap up with some styles of how different ways you can style this hair. So I just had to jump back on in here. Y'all wasn't expecting that. Neither was I. But I came back with another little style, the half up, half down with my little tendrils. But I also wanted to just add that this hair is very lightweight. It does not feel heavy, anything like that. I do love that. And also, I will say that typically when I install crochet hair, I usually do the apple cider vinegar rinse on the hair. And I forgot to add this. So this has had that rinse on it simply because my mom came to visit me, and she came and spent a couple of weeks before I had the baby. So I've had this hair for quite a while. I installed this hair initially on my mom. She kept it in for a day and was like, she's not feeling it. It's not her style. You know, I thought it looked really cute on her. She took it out after a day. And so this is her leftover hair. So she did do the apple cider vinegar soak on this hair. Typically, on all my crochet hairs, I do it because my scalp is very sensitive and I get irritation, itching, and it's just not the business. However, I will say that when I did do the NicoleH brand of this type or style of hair, I did not use the apple cider vinegar soak and I did not get any itching. Similarly with this, I'm not getting any itching, irritation, anything like that, but it could be because my mom did do the soak on this hair. And I'll also link my video to let you know how you can do that with your hair if you are someone that gets irritation, itchiness, just any of that. This will be very beneficial for you. So I'll link that video here. Super short, very simple. Anybody can do it. Get some apple cider vinegar, get that film off the hair that causes that irritation, and you'll be good. Okay, so I think I'll go back to the video now.
Come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See no one else, love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
And that's it, you guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for supporting. I love you and see you next time. Bye.